Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. So sorry if I sound a little robotic. It's not the mic or the video. I'm just recovering from a cold and like a fever. I had one yesterday, and I feel a little bit better today. But it's just yeah, you can hear in my voice. It's all robotic, kind of, and deep and stuff. But yeah, in today's news, let's get into it. It's brought to you by prepaidphonenews.com. So shout out to them. It says, I don't know if you guys know about Visible. I did a video on them a while back when they first were announced. Basically, they were offering Verizon coverage only for iPhones for only $40 a month. You had to do a BYOD, so bring your own device, basically your own iPhone, unlocked iPhone, and then you pop the service. And back then it was invite only, so if you didn't have an invite code, you couldn't get this. But most people were making YouTube videos if they got a code and would share it, or they would even sell it on like eBay. But it says, in May last year, Verizon unveiled its new prepaid service called Visible Wireless. At the time of its launch, the service was available to those with an invite code. So this is basically kind of like a Cricket to AT&T. This is Visible to Verizon, So it says, in September, Verizon removed the need for an invite code and allowed anybody to sign up for the service. That's pretty cool. Despite being available to everyone, the prepaid service continued to be an iOS exclusive service offered by Verizon, but it looks like it's about to change. So a lot of people were like, hey, what about Android? I don't know if you guys know, but there's a lot more Android devices out there than there are iPhones. So it says, at the start of the year, Visible sent out a tweet announcing that it will be making its service available to Android devices. The tweet shared that a beta for Android compatibility will be rolling out before the month ends. Here's their tweet. It says, tired of hearing us say Android compatibility is coming? Heart this tweet to get notified when beta rolls out in January. So you guys know we're like a little bit over mid-January, so it's pretty cool. It says, once the service becomes available, users can sign up for the service at $40 per month. This comes with unlimited minutes, messages, data, and mobile hotspot. There's a maximum data speed of 5 megabits per second at 480p for video streaming. So yes, not the fastest data out there. And like I said, that it's capped at 5 versus Cricket. It was capped at 8, but now they removed that cap if you sign up for the more expensive plan. But this could be good news for somebody that just needs phone service and some data. Even though it's unlimited, it is capped at 5 megabits per second at 480p. I know some people can watch 720p videos with even 480, it says, but it might, take a little bit longer for it to, buffer and all that stuff. But you are getting Verizon's coverage, so that's a plus. So hopefully they remove that cap later on, but I doubt it, since it's only $40 a month. That's pretty cheap in the cell phone industry here. In the United States. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Are you ready? I want to try this out. I have a lot of Android unlocked devices I want to try this out with, so stay tuned and hit that bell notification and thumbs up this video and subscribe so you guys can know when I'll be releasing this video, and I'll try to see how well it is with Android and all that stuff. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonic Warfare signing off. Like I said, I'm sorry for the robotic voice, but I'm a little bit sick. You can support me via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T hotspot for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. All that can be found in the description. Thank you.